Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Neflyon Wigs today again. Not gonna lie, the last wig I got from them was pretty nice. That short trendy cut that everybody loves, that was really cool. So today I'm here with them again, and we got the same kind of color going on as last time, but today we're doing a long headband wig. Yes, so last wig was a lace front wig. Today we have a headband wig. This is a curly texture, 24 inches and 150% in density. This is a mixture of 1B color, number 30. Okay, before we go into that, let's see what we got. So we got some headbands, and it's so exciting to get these headband wigs and get headbands with them. Like it's so encouraging, you know. So I got this one. This is so cute, trendy print. Then we have this. Ooh, this is nice. And then we have this wine red. I believe I have one just like this already, you know. I really do. So this is pretty. I got more of these clips. So handy. I got a thank you card, and all their socials are on the back of this card. I got a wig cap. I got a comb, and these combs are always handy. They go all out with branding their product, so that's really cool. You know, there's a tag here. Construction of the wig, it's just like most other headband wigs. You know, you got 3 combs, well, 4 in total, 1 in the back, 3 in the front to help secure it in your braids or such, and there's adjustable straps in the back, which I'm gonna tighten a little bit more. With most of the headband wigs, it comes with this black portion, so it's very it's not too loud. You can go ahead and even wear it as is, but it always dresses it up to put a headband over it, you know. So let's go ahead and slip this on. I'm gonna go ahead and try on these headbands for you guys. I love getting these headbands so much. I love the length of this hair. I now have variety. You know that nice little cute, you know, pushback vibe, like with a bandana? Like that's what this is giving me. Even though this is a headband, but you know, like when you do it with a kerchief, and like, yo, this looks so good. So brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I am strong. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? I really felt like this wig really gave me the vibes to go ahead and change my lippy. I don't know, it's the head, I feel like it's the headband that's the person. As you can see, I did a little ponytail. I mean, I could always go ahead and leave it like this, but I feel like I want to do like 2 buns. I know I can't hide, 'cause then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been so scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now who would have thought it's actually a headband wig that I'm just rocking though? Who would have thought? Right? So you can actually go ahead and style your headband wig. It's not the first one that I showed you guys how to style. Like, you can definitely get versatile with it. Don't be afraid. because your edges are out, you're not worrying about any lace lifting or anything like that. You can take a wig like this on vacation. I know a lot of females sidestep wigs when going on vacation because they want to go into water and do a lot of stuff and not have to worry about your hair too much. This wig actually allows you to not worry about your hair too much, because the biggest thing with a wig, a lot of us want to get like lace front wigs. I'm not gonna lie. You can always do up your edges to look really nice, just like you do with the braids, or you don't even have to stress edges. Not everybody is about like doing all this edge, you know, styling up the edge, and some people just want to be like super natural. If that's what you want to do, you can do that too, and you can just run the wig. It's so secure, like it's so secure, like so secure, so you don't even have to worry about it falling off. Go on the slingshot ride, do the Ferris wheel, do all the crazy rides, do the roller coaster, everything. Make sure that you put the combs properly in though. Like, make sure it's well secured. Yeah, and you don't have anything to worry about. Like, my buns are not all the way like twins right now. I'm still playing with it, but this is so pretty. Of course you can go ahead and do the wet look, but you see, because I do the wet look so much today, I'm not going to even do that. I'm just going to leave it as is. This wig is gorgeous. I'm going to put all the details to this wig down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested. That's pretty much it for today's video. If it was informative, if you liked it, you like this wig, go ahead and give it a thumb up. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you doing? A joke, but no, your girl is very frequent with uploading, so please go ahead and support her. That's me. Hi. If you haven't checked out my vlog channels yet, go ahead and do so. PETITE-SUE TV is the name. I'm very consistent, and you can see what this Jamaican vibe is like, you know. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, one big up on yourself.
The heart doesn't